Hi everyone. In our data sorting process, we've established calculated columns in our date table, such as year, month, and month number columns. Now, let's dive into measures. Calculated columns describe data, like our date columns. On the other hand, calculated measures deal with metrics, typically numeric and often aggregated, sum, average, etc. I'll demonstrate creating one which is total banks. To create a measure, I'll right-click on the failed banks table and select New Measure. This brings up the formula bar, where I'll define total banks as the count of rows in our failed banks table using the count rows function. Creating measures separately in a dedicated table is a great practice, but for now, we're creating one within the failed banks table. Once created, this measure is reusable and can be utilized across visuals, making it easier to manage and format. By swapping in total banks instead of counting bank names in visuals, the result remains the same but allows for better reusability and future calculations. Now, let's focus on enhancing our data visualization practices and adjusting design elements. To modify visuals, select the Format button in Visualization section. There, you can change appearance elements like fonts or colors. To illustrate, let's explore adding data labels. After selecting the visual, use the Format button to access settings, including data labels. This option allows us to display labels within the visual, offering more insights. Further customization is possible by adjusting label positions within the chart, like placing them inside columns. Remember, ensure the visual is selected before applying changes via the Format section. Now, let's delve into themes. Themes standardize the look of your reports across visuals. To create or customize a theme, go to View, then Themes. Customize your colors, fonts, and more. Exporting the theme enables sharing and maintaining consistency within your team. Adding a background image to your report is simple. With no visual selected, go to Format, select Canvas Background, add your image, adjust transparency, and choose how it fits within the canvas. Finally, when designing reports, consider text boxes for titles or summaries. Use the Insert menu, select Text Box, and place it where you want the text to appear. These features, visual modification, themes, background images, and text boxes, offer immense customization for your reports in Power BI, ensuring consistency and visual appeal. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into custom visuals, exploring their potential and how they can elevate your data presentation. Don't miss out on unlocking a whole new realm of possibilities within Power BI.